What is the average HGV driver salary? Let's start with the big number. Average HGV driver salary in the UK, £32,000 to £40,000 per year. This is the typical range most drivers are earning right now, depending on experience, region, and job type. For experienced long-haul drivers, many earn £40,000 plus, and some specialist roles go higher. If you're brand new, fresh out of training with your license and CPC card, starting salaries are usually £26,000 to £32,000 per year. You'll start at the lower end, but this is a full-time, professional salary. Compare that to minimum wage jobs. HGV driving quickly becomes a very competitive income. Your pay isn't random, it's based on real factors. First, experience. New drivers earn less, and senior drivers command higher rates. Next, type of driving. Local delivery, lower hourly pay. Regional, better pay. Long haul, usually the best pay. Drivers on trunking routes and cross-country freight usually make the most. Not all companies pay the same way. Hourly pay, £12 to £18 per hour. Often used for local and regional work. Salary jobs, £28,000 to £35,000 plus. More common for long-term employment. Overtime, extra shifts, can add £2,000 to £6,000 per year. Bonuses, enhancements and extra pay. Many employers offer extras, performance bonuses, night allowance, weekend pay premiums, safety and retention bonuses. These can add several thousand extra a year. Want to be your own boss? Self-employed drivers, agency or own truck, owner-operator net profits, often £40,000 to £60,000 plus. But remember, they pay running costs. That includes fuel, maintenance, and insurance, so budgeting is essential. Where you work matters. London and South East, higher pay. Midlands, solid pay. Northern UK, still strong but slightly lower average. This reflects the cost of living and freight demand. I'll show you some examples. Here are typical roles and real figures. Local delivery driver, £26,000 to £32,000. Regional driver, £30,000 to £38,000. Long-haul national driver, £35,000 to £45,000 plus. Owner-operator, £40,000 to £60,000 plus, net after costs. These are current pay bands based on industry data and driver surveys. Want higher pay quicker? 1. Get CPC hours up, more training hours, better skills, better pay. 2. Add C+E entitlement, allows you to tow trailers, higher opportunities. 3. Build safety records, no fault history earns bonuses. 4. Specialized freight, e.g., ADR, hazardous load drivers make more. These are proven paths to boost your income. Hourly versus annual, which is better? Short answer, if you like consistency, the salary is stable. If you want flexibility, hourly with overtime pays more. It depends on your lifestyle and goals. So there you have it, a full breakdown of real HGV driver earnings in the UK in 2026. Starting salary, £26,000, £32,000. Average industry, £32,000, £40,000. Experienced, specialist, £40,000 plus. Owner-operators, £40,000, £60,000 plus. If you found this helpful, comment Trucking Pay 2026 and let me know what region you're in. I'll share a regional comparison video next. And if you missed part 1 or part 2, the full beginner roadmap and cost breakdown, click the videos on screen now. Your trucking career starts with knowledge. See you in the next one.